Ashwati here. Welcome to another episode of Beyond the Bubble. We have some classy catch-up of what's happening in Indian cricket this week. We also have some exciting news about the European football title race. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Let's start with some optimism first. There's some great news coming from BCCI that Rahul Dravid will be the head coach of Team India in the Sri Lanka tour. If you're wondering how, let me narrate the long story short. India is touring England and about to play some exciting cricket in the upcoming 3 months, which includes the World Test Championship finals against the Kiwis. In the meantime, to practice for the upcoming World T20 Cup this year, the second string of players will be playing matches in Sri Lanka while the main team will be playing in England. Interesting, right? So for the second string of players, the Great Wall of India has been appointed as the head coach, and it will be so exciting to see him in the sidelines again. Are you excited too? Let us know in the comments below. It's a great opportunity for the dazzling Indian opener, and she has earned it to say the least. And here is the full squad list of the women's tour to England starting from June. Not only this, Shefali Verma is also going to play the BBL this year for Sydney Sixers, and opening with Eliza Haley, what a cracker it would be for the fans to see. It's a warm news for the Indian women's team as they will be playing their first pink ball test match against the mighty Aussies this September. India will also be playing 3 ODIs and T20s against Team Australia, and here is the full schedule of India tour to Australia for you guys. Known yet shocking fact that has raised eyebrows of many cricket enthusiasts out there. The salary of Indian women is just 10% of the salary cap of the Indian men's team playing in the similar grade. It's highly known fact that men in cricket earn more than the women in cricket. And it's fair to say this according to the sponsors the men bring in. But it's undigestible that there's a huge difference to some fans and pundits out there. With women's cricket growing rapidly worldwide and India being the architects of it, BCCI should definitely consider raising their salary to lure more youngsters to come and play gentlemen's game. Or should we call it gentlewomen's game? Now let's shift our attention to some footballing news. The title and qualification race has finally settled in Europe's top 5 leagues. After an enthralling year in football and some extraordinary battles between the teams, the 2021 season has finally come to an end. Atletico Madrid in the Spanish top flight finished in the top of the table ahead of mighty Real Madrid and Barcelona. Lille went on the top of the table, thus ending the dominant dictatorship by PSG in the French league. Liverpool and Chelsea in the English league, and Juventus and AC Milan in the Italian league qualified to the Champions League, which is going to happen next year after a breathtaking finals in their respective leagues. Champions League and Europa League final is to take place this year. There's an English final between Manchester City and Chelsea in the UCL, and Manchester United and Villarreal FC in the UEL respectively. Tune in to watch the finals of the Europe's finest tournaments. Also, don't forget to download and play Ballebazi while you watch a match. You can win some real cash instantly, and the link to the app is in our description below. That's it for this week of Beyond the Bubble. I'll catch up with the 6th episode next week. Till then, stay safe and follow the lockdown rules strictly. This is Ashwati signing off. Bye bye.